Hi people. There is a show called People versus OJ Simpsons on Netflix, and it's the kind of show that like it's based on the OJ Simpsons case that happened in the states, and Robert Kardashian, who's the father of the the Kardashian family, the Kim Kardashian, all of them, the sisters. So he also played a very pivotal role in when it really happened, the O.J. Simpson's. It was a trial, right? And the show on Netflix is called People versus O.J. Simpson. I just have to say this: when I make these videos, it's like a vlog for me. It's hardly a thing that where I want to sound very intelligent. Like it's just something I do because I enjoy doing it. So no, yeah, I mean, in case someone is thinking that, oh god, these videos are of no use to anyone, they are of use to me. Yeah, I mean, I feel like, and information, there's an information overload, yeah, on the internet. You type anything like turmeric benefits or something, so many videos will show up, but to have that connect with a person, now that's rare. So at least for me, I personally like watching reality TV and all, because I feel I'd rather see real people and real lives than something that is scripted, you know. So yeah, I just had to say that because it was playing on my mind that, you all might think she goes on and on talking, but it's only a 1 minute video, and oh god, this is more than 1 minute. But anyway, so on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.